Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Today's topic is speaking and writing about tortoise. You can already know about tortoise. You see know in all our surrounding. This is a tortoise. So speaking and writing with me. This is Amita. So start this topic about tortoise. Before starting, I will request all please subscribe, like, and more share and press red button for upcoming notification and knowledgeable topics with this video and gain your knowledge with this video. So continue learning with this video and absorb this knowledge. Okay, so this channel very knowledgeable and full of interesting facts including there, and so absorb this channel for kids. Very important facts available in this channel. So let's start about tortoise. So press red button and subscribe and like and more share. Okay, so I am speaking Amita. So let's start about tortoise. This is a tortoise diagram show on your screen. This is a show on your screen. Tortoise class Reptilia, family Tastudini, kingdom Animalia, scientific name Tastudini. Tortoise scientific name Tastudini. Okay, so this is a tortoise. Reptilia, class Reptilia, family Tastudini, kingdom Animalia, and scientific name Tastudini. Okay, so next slide. A tortoise is a shelled reptile famed for its slowness and longevity. A tortoise is a shelled covering all over the body with shell. Reptile famed for its slowness and longevity. Longevity, we can say other words, very long life, having a very long life. Tortoise as a having a very long life, having a very long life. So it is a shelled reptile famed for its slowness and longevity. Longevity means, in other words, we can say long life. Okay, the tortoise have a very long life span in our earth. The giant tortoise of the Galapagos may attain over 1.5 meter in length. The tortoise have a length in 1.5 meter and have a lifespan of more than 150 years. 150 years. Smaller tortoises from southern Europe and Northern America make popular pets. They need to tend it. Okay, so carefully in cool climates and must have a warm place in which they can hibernate. Okay, so they need to tend it carefully in cool climates and must have a warm place in which then hibernate. So this is a tortoise. So on your screen, this is a shelled over body has a shelled shaped organs, and for its slowness and longevity, life has a longevity. Longevity means a long life. The tortoise having a long life in our earth. The giant tortoise of the Galapagos may attain over, or other words we can say here the tortoise live a very long life span in our earth, 1.5 meter in length, and have a lifespan of more than 150 years. Smaller tortoise from southern Europe and North America make popular pets. They need to tend it carefully in cool climates and must have a warm place in which they can hibernate. So this is a tortoise. And next slides we will come. Shelled. Shelled means shelly. In other words, shelly. Okay. Previous slide so on your screen some words. So this is a meanings of some words apply for tortoise. Shelled, shelly. Other meaning shelly. Longevity means long lived life period. Lifespan means lifetime. Here we can see this word hibernate. Hibernate is a state of inactive and metabolic depression in endothermic terms. Okay, hibernation is a which state of inactive and metabolic depression in endotherms. Hibernation is a seasonal heterothermy characterized by low body temperature, slow breathing and heart rate, and low metabolic rate. It most commonly occurs during winter months. Okay, so this is called hibernation. Hibernation is a state in active metabolic depression in endotherms. Hibernation is seasonal heterothermy characterized by low body temperature, slow breathing and heart rate, and low metabolic rate. It most commonly occurs during winter months. So this is about tortoise. This is called hibernate. Okay, so we will revise here. Shield, this words comes already came previous slides, so here we will see only in meaning these words. Shield, shelly. Longevity means long lived or life period. Lifespan means lifetime. Okay, longevity, longevity, longevity shown on your screen this slide. Long lived and life period. Lifespan means lifetime. Hibernate, hibernation is a state of inactive and metabolic depression in endotherms. Okay, inactive and metabolic depression in endotherms. Hibernation is a seasonal heterothermy characterized by low body temperature and slow breathing heart rate and low metabolic rate. It most commonly occurs during winter months. So hibernate process only occurs in winter months. This process, during this process, the endotherms are having a depression and feel a very inactive and low depression, metabolic depression, and seasonal hypothermia characterized by low body temperature and slow breathing and heart rate and low metabolic rate. It most common occurs during winter months. So we will end this video here, and I will request all please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button for upcoming notification and upcoming knowledge build topic mixed with this video, and gain in your child very profitable content present available in this video. So stay tuned. God bless. Take care. Bye bye.